Hi again, it's Keishan, and here with another science project. This time it's going to be heat expansion. Okay, well, this is the materials list. We have 2 bottles, 1 candle, 1 cork, knitting needles, various materials, 1 sewing needle, paper, scissors, glue, marker, ruler, level, pencil, matches, pin backing, hairdryer, and compass. Yeah. Even though it says protractor on there, it's wrong. Bottles, candle, cork, the knitting needles, a sewing needle, the arrow, which we colored blue so it would stand out, and some Elmer's glue. What we have here are the bottles, and what you would need to have is 2 of almost the same height bottles. The bubble is right in between the 2
bottles. So you know
the 2 little lines. Sorry. Oh. So that means it's level. I am currently going to uncork these bottles because they have to be empty.
It's just grape juice.
Yeah, it's just not that red wine that everybody's drinking. Yeah, it's just not that. It is 5.5 inches long. The aluminum knitting needle is 14 inches. And our sewing needle is very tiny. It's like 1.5. The bottle. Bottle 1 is about 1 foot, 12 inches. The other one is about the same height. And the candle is about 8 inches long. And we're going to boost it up with the bowl, which is now going to be about 11 inches. Okay, so we made the modifications to the arrow. Now it's what was about right there. Okay.
Tell them what you're doing. What are you doing?
I am lighting the match. The very amazing match.
Why?
So I can, so the metal can actually expand. Well, the flame actually has to be touching the metal, and so, it's not.
So what do we got to do?
So I gotta do something
to make the flame a little higher.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're going to go make adjustments.
What you would need to do is take the knitting needle that you will have and a cork, and then shove the knitting needle in there. And then, well, this is how I already had it set up. Like this, you put it in. Make sure that the knitting needle is on the second bottle also. Okay? So, this is how it looks. As you can see, we made an adjustment. It's the other one. The other one, it was too short. Well, the wick was too short. So, we just did this. I haven't tested it out yet. So, we're putting the needle back on. So the paper is not touching. It's failing though.
Okay, what's going on?
I need glue. Okay, so I got the glue.
Why do you need glue?
Because it's not working.
Why is it not working? What is not working?
The arrow, because look, if I put it back on with no glue on it, it's not sticking enough to the needle. Oh yeah, we got it. Oh, come on. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have the knitting needle right there. So then you're gonna want to take your needle, and well, what we used before was a plastic arrow that failed, and this one, it also failed.
Is? Okay.
Okay. So what we're wanting to do here is like...
Show me. Okay. And what is it?
It's kind of like a clock. So we're gonna put this under there. Okay? And then the one is facing up. Okay, so I'm just about to light the candle, and if you can see, the 1 is facing up and the 4 is about level with the knitting needle. So as we watch, the flame will grow, and there it's at a perfect spot. And that's a very good spot because it's just touching the metal, and that's where it expands from. And now we'll cut because it's like 2 minutes till we could actually see some movement. So, yeah. Remember when the 4 was level with the knitting needle? Now the knitting needle is in between the 2 and the 3. And the dial, as you saw, was just moved. Okay, so we're going to be cutting again. And this time it was just for contracting. And the cut was because it's like 1.5 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna cut. See you then. Bye. This is how far it's contracted. So take a good look.